Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Computer Vision Fundamentals. Teaching AI to see the world. Imagine teaching a machine to look at a photo and say, "That's a cat," or telling a self-driving car, "There's a stop sign ahead." That's computer vision. It's the exciting field where we train AI to interpret and understand the visual world. Just like we do, from unlocking your phone with your face to robotic surgery, computer vision is everywhere. And as a developer, understanding it opens up a world of incredible possibilities. Before we teach computers, let's think about ourselves. When you look at an apple, light reflects off it, enters your eyes, and your brain processes that information. It identifies shapes, colors, textures, and knows it's an apple because you've seen countless apples before. Your brain has learned to recognize these visual patterns. AI works on a very similar principle, learning patterns, but with numbers instead of direct light. A computer doesn't have eyes. Instead, it sees images as a grid of tiny dots called asterisk pixels. Each pixel is just a number, or a set of numbers for color images, like red, green, blue intensity values. So, a picture of a cat isn't a furry animal to a computer. It's a giant spreadsheet of numbers. Our job as developers is to teach the AI to make sense of these numbers, to find the underlying numerical patterns that represent a cat or any other object. To turn these numbers into understanding, we use an asterisk eye model. Think of it as a special program, or a digital brain, specifically designed to learn from visual information. But this brain isn't born smart. It needs to be asterisk trained. We feed it massive amounts of asterisk training data, thousands, even millions, of images. Critically, each image is usually asterisk labeled. For example, this is a cat, this is a dog, or this is a car. This labeled data is the fuel for AI learning. So, how does the AI learn from these numbers and labels? Imagine showing a child thousands of pictures and saying "cat" for each one. Eventually, the child learns what a cat looks like. An AI model does something similar. It constantly tries to find common numerical patterns across all the cat images, maybe specific edges, textures, or color combinations. It adjusts its internal settings, parameters, repeatedly through a process called asterisk training, until it gets good at predicting whether a new, unseen image is a cat or not. Once trained, these AI models can perform amazing visual tasks. Image classification. Is this a cat or a dog? Single quote. One object. One label. Object detection. There are 3 dogs and 1 cat in this picture. And here are their exact locations. Multiple objects, with bounding boxes. Image segmentation. Pinpointing exactly which pixels belong to the cat, down to its outline. Facial recognition. Identifying specific individuals within an image or video. These are the fundamental building blocks for countless real-world applications. Computer vision is transforming industries. Think about self-driving cars, detecting pedestrians, other cars, traffic signs, healthcare, analyzing X-rays, MRIs for anomalies or diseases, retail, automatic checkout systems, inventory management, customer behavior analysis, security, surveillance, facial unlock on phones, anomaly detection. As a developer, you can use existing pre-trained models, fine-tune them for specific tasks, or even build new models from scratch. Libraries like OpenCV, TensorFlow, and PyTorch are your powerful tools to bring these visual AI capabilities to life in your applications and projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.